Empower focuses on cash advances based on your income activity, while Current app focuses more on everyday banking features with optional overdraft-style protection, depending on account behavior. By the end, you'll know which app is better for cash access, which one is better for daily spending, and which one actually fits your financial habits. Start with what each app is built for. Empower is designed mainly around short-term cash advances based on your income and bank deposit activity. Current app is designed as a mobile banking platform with a debit card, spending tools, and optional overdraft-style features. That difference matters because one is focused on borrowing access, while the other is focused on everyday banking. Now, explain how money access works. Empower gives users access to cash advances if they qualify based on income patterns. Current app allows spending through your available balance, and may offer overdraft-style features depending on account activity and eligibility. So Empower is more about getting money early, while Current is more about managing money you already have. Now explain approval and eligibility. Empower approval depends heavily on your income deposits and account activity. Current app eligibility for advanced features also depends on account usage, direct deposits, and overall activity patterns. That means both apps rely on how money moves in your account, not traditional credit checks. Now talk about everyday use. Current app is stronger for daily spending because it comes with a debit card and standard banking tools inside the app. Empower is not meant to replace a daily banking account in the same way, because it focuses more on cash advances than full banking features. Now explain costs in a simple way. Both apps may involve fees depending on how features are used. That usually applies to optional services like faster access to funds or advanced features inside the app ecosystem. So cost depends more on usage than just having the app installed. Now, explain who each one is for. Empower is better if your main goal is short-term cash advances between paychecks. Current app is better if you want a full banking-style app for spending, saving, and debit card use. Now, explain limitations. Neither app guarantees full access to cash features at all times. Approval and limits depend on income consistency and account activity. Now give a simple decision breakdown. Choose Empower if you mainly need paycheck-based cash advances. Choose Current app if you want a full banking app with spending tools and optional overdraft features. Now, summarize the key points. Empower is focused on cash advances based on income activity. Current app is focused on everyday banking and debit card use. Both depend on account activity and income consistency for feature access. One practical next step. Check how your income is deposited and how you plan to use the account, because that determines which app will actually work better for your situation. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of finance apps without confusion or marketing noise.